Hi everybody, Naturalist Linda here. I'm out at Beartown Lakes today and standing along the edge of the pond here. And for those of you that like native gardening and want to plant native flowers, there's a good example right here in the foreground. This nice pink flower that's just coming into bloom now is called Joe Pye weed. It's a great nectar source for all kinds of insects. Monarchs like to nectar on it, but there's a whole bunch of bee activity here. Let's zoom in and see if take a closer look at some of these bees if I can find them. So there's common eastern bumblebees on here. There's another bee called a brown-belted bumblebee, which now they've all seemed to disappear. That's the luck of a naturalist. Point something out and then they all go away. Ha! Anyway, Joe Pye weed is a great one to plant in a native garden if you're looking for native nectar sources. So this is Joe Pye weed.